Hello everybody, into this video I will show you how to get bank statement on the Capitec app. First, you need to download the Capitec Bank app. To do so, go into Google Play Store on Android or Apple Store or iOS devices. Search for the app and download it. If you're a first-time Capitec app user, visit any Capitec branch to activate the app. Alternatively, take a selfie and a copy of your ID and send them to the customer service unit through the app and wait for a response. You can also send the two documents to the Capitec Bank WhatsApp customer service at this number. So how do you get your statement from the Capitec app? So open the app on your smartphone, use your Capitec online banking login details to access your account. This could be a username and password or biometrics. If you have more than one account with the financial institution, choose the account you wish and tap the three vertical dots at the top right side of your device screen. Click the statement option after you tapped on the three dots and then choose the period or date range of your statement. If you have been wondering how to get a 3-month bank statement from the Capitec app, enter the dates for the last 3 months. Your account statements will be portrayed on your screen. To email your statements, follow the first 2 steps given above. So click the email statement option, choose the period or date range for your statement, enter your email address, then click just send. You should receive the statement in your email account, which you can download and print. Yeah, that's basically it. I hope this guide helped you. If you need to read it, it's in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next guide.